Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review of this Undermount bar sink. I got this because I'm actually converting a Sprinter van and wanted to put in a kitchen, and I really like the size of this. It's 17 by 17. It's 15 inches deep underneath, but it actually is 10 inches deep for the actual sink. I like the fact that it has this cutting board. It looks really nice. I haven't used the cutting board much because I don't want to scar the surface of it. But it's pretty cool. It has this drain here as well as the plug right there. And this is a really nice feature. I can roll this out and put dishes up here to go ahead and dry. But I'll be honest with you, I haven't used it much because I've been just placing the dishes right down here, and that's worked out really well. This is the gunmetal black sink, and I really love it. The only mistake that I've made, and I recommend that you don't drive around with this in here. I didn't notice it, but if I take this out, you can see where it's kind of etched out that gunmetal. So now I have 4 squares where those are located, and what's happened is I've been driving around in this slide. So I would definitely recommend that you take this out when you're driving if you don't want that to happen. But overall, I've been really happy with this sink. I think it looks great and functions perfectly for what I need.